Moderna concluded its vaccine is 96% effective in 12 to 17-year-olds and will submit its additional trial findings to the Food and Drug Administration for full approval by the end of May, the company announced in its earnings report Thursday. Pfizer is currently seeking authorization from the European Medicines Agency and the FDA to expand eligibility for its COVID-19 vaccine to teenagers. The FDA could grant Pfizer authorization as soon as next week, and the company says its vaccine is 100% effective in children aged 12 to 15. The FDA authorized the Moderna vaccine under an EUA on December 18, after granting the same authorization to the Pfizer COVID-19 vaccine. The FDA can grant emergency use authorizations when a panel of experts determine that known and potential benefits outweigh the known and potential risks, and when the Secretary of Health and Human Services determines a health crisis deems emergency use of unapproved products appropriate. Pfizer announced Monday it would file for full FDA approval, and it's likely Johnson & Johnson, manufacturers of the only other COVID-19 vaccine authorized for emergency use in the U.S., will file for full FDA approval as well. Emergency use authorizations can be revoked when public health crises subside, and FDA approval would allow companies, like Moderna and Pfizer, to directly market their vaccines to consumers. $19.2 billion. That's how much revenue Moderna plans to generate in 2021 from anticipated product sales. We are now actively engaged in discussions and agreements for 2022 with all of the governments we are currently supplying for 2021. On top of that, new partnerships, like COVAX, for up to 466 million doses in 2022 and discussions with new governments in Asia, Middle East, Africa and Latin America, make us believe that our total advance purchase agreements for 2022 should be higher than those in 2021, Moderna CEO Stephane Bancel said in a statement. Moderna announced Wednesday its booster shot showed a positive immune response against the COVID-19 variants found in South Africa and Brazil. Moderna is testing booster shots in individuals who already received their 2-dose Moderna vaccine regimen. Bancel has said he expects booster shots will be necessary, and Pfizer CEO Albert Bourla said it's likely vaccinated individuals will need a booster within a year of being fully vaccinated. Pfizer will file for full FDA approval by end of May, expects $26 billion in vaccine revenue, Forbes. Moderna says COVID booster shot generates promising immune response against variants found in South Africa, Brazil, CNBC, full coverage and live updates on the coronavirus.